Yo, what's goody, my niggas? It's your boy BTD, man. Hold on, let me make sure we all good. Yup, I'm here with another one, man. Y'all know the vibes, bro. I did a video last week where I covered Darrell Brooks' trial. I did a reaction to it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all was not jacking that video. You feel me? I said that wasn't even half the shit that he did. It wasn't even nothing for real. So I found another video. Feel me? Y'all told me to do it again. So top 5. This is top 5 wildest outbursts in Darrell Brooks' trial. And this video got a little bit more views too. So you feel what I'm saying? Let's see if it get worse. Cause I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't even to me, the last shit, it wasn't even that much. Like, he was disrespectful, yeah, but it wasn't crazy. Like, you feel me? So let's see if these the crazy shit.
Once again, you're doing this tactic.
Because
it's not a tactic, it's facts. It's facts. To some other reason.
It's facts. Because I find it hard to believe that
I'm gonna
all of a sudden nobody hears what I say.
I'm going to let the state make a record of why they believe it's objectionable, because I haven't let them do that.
We go over the top 5 outbursts of defendant Darrell Brooks in the Waukesha Parade tragedy
Darrell
trial.
Brooks, that's his name.
Welcome
Darrell.
to Sidebar, presented by Law and Crime. I'm Jesse Weber.
Nigga named Darrell.
The trial of Darrell Brooks Jr. out of Waukesha, Wisconsin has really been something else. On one hand, we can't forget what this trial is about. You have a defendant who's been charged with over 70 crimes for allegedly driving his SUV into a group of holiday parade goers back on November 21st, 2021, ultimately resulting in the death of 6 people and injuries to dozens of others. Okay. And this is a very...
Not gonna lie, like, a nigga that look like this, bro, like... I see this nigga, I'm out. Word of my dad, nigga look like Tarzan. I'd have been out, nigga. Word of my dad.
Serious case and a very tragic case, but at the same.
This nigga's like wired up. Like, what the fuck? It's good with you, my boy.
Can't forget that this trial is incredibly unique and strange because the defendant.
This nigga should have like stopped reading.
Has chosen at the very beginning of trial to represent himself. And it has been a roller coaster ride of fights between him and the judge, him getting kicked out of court. He took his shirt off at one point, and he brings up these legal theories that seemingly have no basis in fact or law that delay the whole proceedings. And this is partially due to the fact that we believe Brooks identifies as a sovereign citizen. This is someone who believes that they're not under the jurisdiction or authority of the government. So we thought, why not revisit the top 5 outbursts of Darrell Brooks during this trial?
Let's see what's
going on. And I'd like to
on.
start with a particularly bad one. You see, at one point, Brooks called as a witness his ex-girlfriend, Erica Patterson, as he was presenting his case.
Okay.
Now, she had previously testified for the state, and it's alleged that Darrell Brooks, got into a fight with Erica Patterson and attacked her right before he drove his car into the parade. So when she was on the stand, he wanted to...
See, bro? Tell you, bro, y'all can't be crashing out because of these hoes, man. Y'all niggas be letting these hoes make y'all crash out, bro. Y'all can't be letting these hoes make y'all crash out, bro. Cause you feel me? She's good right now. Like, when he did that, and she's good. Like, she's chilling. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, it's always the nigga that get fucked in the end, bro. So y'all niggas, stop letting these girls let y'all make y'all crash out, bro. Y'all look dumb. I swear to God, take it from me.
Show that she wasn't a good mother, and that she's not a credible witness, and that she wasn't telling the truth, particularly about the...
my son look angry, bro. Like, why he didn't get a lawyer though? He probably broke.
Last time that she had contact with him, and that's when, while she's on the stand, he pulls out these photographs, and the state objected because they hadn't been shown these before. And outside the presence of the jury, prosecutor Zach Witchow talked about what would happen if these photos were allowed in, and he revealed something very bad about Brooks' past. And as you'll see, Brooks was not too happy about it.
3, I believe that these photographs are designed to make a suggestion to the jury that Erica Patterson is a bad mom. I think that that's what the defendant is trying to do. And if we're going to go down that road, then we would be forced to counter that claim. First of all, it doesn't make her an incredible witness, if it's even true. And second of all, if we go down that road, we would be forced to counter that claim by pointing out that not only does the defendant not live with the child in question, he doesn't live with any of the other children that he has. He impregnated Erica Patterson when she was a minor in Nevada. For doing so, he was convicted of statutory sexual seduction, pled guilty in March of 2007 to that felony offense, and is a sex offender on the registry as a result. So if there's any causation that would lead to Erica Patterson being a bad mom, Mr. Brooks has a direct role in that.
Because of him, yeah. Oh, this lawyer is beast. This lawyer is a beast.
Furthermore, to that,
I'm not
because that's a lie.
Let him
at
finish.
the end of the day,
Let him finish.
If we gonna open the door
Mr.
on that, no,
Brooks.
since he want to make a record and not be accurate, so let's be accurate.
You want to make a record and not be accurate. You want to make a record and not be accurate. My son sound like he from Bali, bro. Straight from Cali, bro. If he want to make a record of it and not be accurate. What up, cuz? What up? What's going on, cuz? Still make a record of it and not be accurate, cuz? How you want to make a record of it and not be accurate, cuz? Son is from Cali, nigga.
You think you know so much.
Once
So
again,
we can
Mr.
open the
Brooks
door
is
on.
being
We can
loud,
open the door on how old she told me
disrespectful,
she was when we
interrupting.
met. We can ask that question
He is
too. Then
over the
Did you
top,
ask that?
animated
Did you
right
know
now.
that?
Mr. Brooks, I'm ordering you to sit down and to let the state finish.
No, I'm not going to sit here and let somebody be inaccurate on the record and lie on the record.
Right. Under Illinois versus Allen, I've warned him
lie on the
repeatedly. He's being removed from the courtroom.
Oh.
And you know what? Let me dial that back. We're just going to take an early lunch, 1 hour. We'll be back. And unless he brings that letter
Damn.
and he
Don't
can
sit
show
here and try
it
to
is
think you know what's
inadmissible,
going
she will
on.
not be questioned. And under 90611, I will
You gonna
declare
talk
the
about where my
cross-examination
you don't know where,
closed.
You don't know where my...
Not gonna lie, this judge is fire. Like, I'm sorry. I said this the last video.
Question, and
she's
under 90611,
nice,
I will
like-
declare the cross-examination
You don't know where-
closed.
you don't know where-
Wait, baby.
Thank you. We're in
All
recess.
this
1
happened,
hour.
bruh. Get your facts straight.
Get your
So
facts
let's
straight.
open the door on all of it then so we can get all of it on the record.
On
Since
phone
you think
now.
you know so much.
On phone now. Yeah, he's tweaking. He's tweaking.
Did you know she said she was 18 when I met her? Did you know that?
Now, luckily, as I
Damn.
said, this was outside the president.
Nah, but it be like that though. I'm not gonna lie. I be like that. It be like that. Not saying that not me, but girls be lying about their age for sure. Like for showski. Like for sure, girls be lying about their age, especially when you in like high school. But he's weird though, cause he's not even close to 18, and she told him he 18, and he still slapped it. I would have never did that. Like I would have had to been like 19. And she, or like, you feel me? In that realm, like, and she tell me that she a little bit older. And it's like, alright, when I find out she's really like 16, but you feel me? Nah, that's weird too, though. That's weird too, though. Like, 19 and 16, it's only 3 years, but that's weird, though. Like, I'm not 19 crushing no 16-year-old. That's weird. So, nah, that like, this whole scenario is weird. Because regardless, if she was younger than 18 and she lied, like, you're done. You're done. Unless I'm younger than you. Unless I'm like 15 or 16 or 14. And then you tell me like you 18 but you really 16. And it's like, alright. You feel me? Older, you're done. He's done. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, you're drunk. Like, it's no way a girl telling me she's 18. Even if like you tell me you 18, I'm not on that. I'm sorry, mama. I'ma holla at you. Like, you got 3 more years to go. Like, you wildin'. Respectfully, he's bugging. He's bugging for that. Respectfully, he's bugging for that.
The jury, and that is a very good thing for Brooks that they didn't see that. Clearly, he's trying to relitigate his past relationship that he had with Patterson and whether or not he should have been convicted of that sex crime. And of course, this is just another example of him being removed from the courtroom. You know, look, Brooks has repeatedly made statements that this process is totally unfair, that he's not being heard, and he adamantly denies that he's trying to deliberately obstruct the proceedings. He feels that he's just trying to get his word out and his rights protected. In fact, in another major outburst and show of disrespect,
He just needs to learn how to speak when not speak when spoken to, but like, you feel me? Speak on turn, bro. Like, you can't be disrespectful. Like, you won't get nowhere. Niggas will only hear you screaming and being obnoxious. Like, but that's the thing about, you feel me? Us, you know, we so quick to be like hot So, but sometimes you gotta be logical. You feel me? Logic beats loud all the time. Logic over loud. No cap.
He yells at the judge about what this trial is about.
I don't care what you believe fully.
All right.
It's not a game. I don't take this as a game. That's what nobody. That's what nobody. You don't gotta explain nothing to me.
Yo.
Do you want?
That's what you don't understand.
Why he
you
keep
think
talking
that
like
this
this?
is a whole
Bro.
game
It's
to
a
me?
question.
This is not a game to me, Your Honor. Nothing about this is a joke.
I never
That's
said
what
it
y'all
was a
don't
joke.
understand.
But there's
It is
some things
unfair.
Wait, it's like he stopped talking. And I hate people like that, bro. I would have punched him in his face, bro. I hate people like that, bro. Like, all right, I'm gonna let you talk. You talk, you stop. And then right when I start talking, you start talking. Like, bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Like, I hate that shit, bro. I swear, I hate that. If I was her, I would have punched him in his face for that. I swear to God.
That's what y'all don't understand.
Like, see, look, like he'll talk, pause, and then like when she start talking, he start talking. Like, game.
That's what nobody. That's what nobody. You don't gotta explain nothing to me.
Look, pause.
That's what you don't understand.
Look.
You think
you
that
want
this
the
is a whole
opportunity
game
to
to me.
question?
This is not a game to me, Your Honor. Nothing about this is a joke.
I never
That's
said
what
it
y'all
was a
don't
joke.
understand.
Start talking. Look.
But there's
It is
some things-
Start
unfair.
talking again. Like,
It's
this nigga's
unfair.
weird, bro.
It is disrespectful to me.
He's weird.
That you think I would come in here purposely and treat this like a joke or a game.
I never said it was a
What
joke.
type of statement is that?
Mr.
Your life is not on the line.
Look, every time
Mine
she try to
is.
talk.
And you think that I think this is funny?
I don't think it's funny whatsoever.
So,
And I
so
understand.
I think, Your Honor, with all due respect, I think you
So
should show
we're
some
gonna take
respect.
a 5-minute break, and when we come back, the jury's coming out, and you need to call your next witness. Thank you. We are in
Nah,
recess.
you're not rushing me to judgment. I don't care what you're talking about.
Unbelievable
Yo.
that he's saying this to a judge. A judge.
So you're
I
not
sometimes
rushing
have
me
to
to
remind
judgment.
myself who he's speaking to. And you know, there is
It's crazy.
so much.
This nigga's talking like this to the person that's in charge of his freedom. Like, you're drunk, bro. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, sometimes people don't really be thinking, bro. Like this is the person that's in charge of your freedom. Like, if she says you're a dub, you're a dub. So why are you trying to have any type of beef with her, bro? Like, niggas be not like, niggas be sick, bro.
Discussion
Shit don't make no
Judge
sense.
Darrell here showing this restraint. You know, why didn't she kick him out of the courtroom sooner? Why didn't she kick him out multiple times? And I think there's one theory that at least I believe is that she is giving him so much leeway,
Chances,
so much
like, yeah.
opportunity to reel himself in, and she's deliberately making sure that she doesn't prematurely silence him or kick him out of the courtroom too quickly, because the theory is that if he's convicted, an appellate court then can't say that she was unfair to him, right? The only person who buried his case was Darrell Brooks himself, that she wasn't being unfair or violating his rights, that she gave him every opportunity to correct his behavior. And some believe that this is a sign that he shouldn't be allowed to represent himself anymore, but that's his right.
That's his right. Yeah,
And while
he
there
can do
could be
that if he want.
opportunities for judges to step in and say that the defendant is not competent and an attorney should be assigned at this point, this judge is not at that point. She believes that he is doing all of this deliberately to delay these proceedings, and he knew what he was getting himself into when he decided to represent himself. And I think at the very least, it seems that Mr. Brooks has issues with authority, because if you listen to what he said to Judge Darrell multiple times, this one in particular was really egregious.
I'm a grown man with grown kids. Ain't nobody gonna talk to me like that. Nobody.
Yo.
I don't have a problem with doing what you ask me to do, not tell me.
What's wrong with this guy, bro?
Just like when I asked you about subject matter jurisdiction that you have yet to prove on the record. But somehow I'm being intentionally disruptive. Come on, man. Stop. Just stop it.
Just
Jury's
stop it.
coming out.
All rise for the jury.
Not gonna work.
And that is not the
Just
only
stop it.
time
Like,
that
he be
barked
wildin'.
at the judge and told her what her job should be.
If you don't make a
But that's the
record
thing,
of it-
like, I feel like another thing too, like, I don't want to make this like a kind of like a sexism thing, but like, I feel like the fact that she's a woman, she's more compassionate to him, like she's more like tolerant, like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, if it was a man up there, like one of them old white judges, this nigga would have been clipped. Word. Try to overpower me? Yeah, alright. You're done. You're done.
Make a
It
ruling.
threw people off a loop. They weren't ready for it. They scared of it.
shit.
That's what it is. Come on, man.
Mr. Brooks.
Come on, man, stop.
When you
Stop
are
it.
you aren't
Stop
even
it. You're a
letting me
public
ask
servant, Your
questions.
Honor. I respect your
Mad
courtroom. I respect
disrespectful,
you.
bro.
You're a public servant, though. Your job is
Look
to
at her.
be the referee.
Nah, she's nice though. Nigga said your job is to be the referee.
Is it or is it not? You stated so yourself on record that your job is being the umpire.
Nah,
it not?
she's pretty though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, for me, I don't really do white women either, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but like her, like I'm not gonna lie. She could, you feel me? She could get the done. She could get the John from the done. I'm not gonna lie. She could get the John from the done. She could get it.
You stated so yourself on record
valid.
that your job is being the umpire.
Your Honor, can I ask Ms. Patterson please be excused?
Yes, you can be excused. My apologies.
My apologies too, but it needs to be some truth. Especially when we're talking about stuff that didn't even happen, but they're allowed to get on the stand and say that it happened when they know it didn't happen.
So I'm going to make a record about what
This
he's
is
referring
ridiculous,
to
man.
in count 77.
Truth be told, I could do a 2-hour show on all of the disruptions
Ah.
and arguments in court. But I have to tell you, after reviewing it, there is one moment in particular, one time, when I was actually nervous for the safety of the people in the courtroom, and including the judge.
Deadass.
And this came about when the prosecution started presenting an issue, and how the prosecutor, Sue Opper, said the word defendant. Take a look.
There's an issue that we do need to take up potential as to a witness by the name of Abel Lescano. He has prior criminal history.
Thank you.
So as long as the jury's out, we should probably discuss that. I would like to provide the defendant and the court with a copy.
So that had to
of
be said. So it's the defendant.
That's not
Like,
what it
for
was
real or
said.
not? He's
that
not
was
lying.
how I said. You want to run the record back?
He's not
Mr.
lying
Brooks.
So
about
I'm the
that.
only one. I got one.
Mr.
I got
Brooks.
one ear that work, and I heard that.
This
Come on,
is
man.
to
Come on,
benefit
man.
you so
No,
that
it's
you
not.
understand
Ain't none of
your
this to benefit me,
witness
so let's be
has
clear
a
about
prior
that.
record.
Your
Yo,
Honor, when
he's
I
going
leave
crazy.
the table, I'm away from the courtroom, and I have to elevate my voice. This is the
So she had to
alleged
elevate her
record of
voice
Abel
just for
Lescano.
that.
Stop talking.
Come on, man. Like, I don't know who y'all be thinking y'all fooling.
Nah, he's not lying with that. He's not lying with that. She definitely did have a tone with that. He's not lying. But like, still though, you in court, bro. You gotta just, you feel me? You gotta just eat that. Like, you gotta just chill, bro. Like, you gotta remember it's animosity towards you. You got animosity, so you don't expect that same energy to be reciprocated, bro. Like, what you think you gonna be wilding and then people supposed to treat you with respect, bro? Like, come on, gang. Niggas like, come on, gang. Think smarter than that, bro.
Value this document.
One more interruption and you're going to be removed to the next courtroom.
That's what you want to do anyway.
It's not what I want to do. Do not interrupt Attorney Opper.
So can
Your
you
Honor,
tell?
I
Can you
believe he
explain?
has 7 prior criminal convictions via OWI 2nd from 1997, and OWI 3rd from 1997, and OWI 4th from 2003, criminal trespass to dwelling from
Yo, what the
2006.
Right, I need to take a break. This man right now is having a stare down with me. It's very disrespectful. He pounded his fist. Frankly, it makes me scared.
So,
Yo.
as we record this, we are coming to the
My
end
son
of
was-
the Darrell Brooks trial. After the
my
judge
son was
Brooks
grilling
was not
that.
responsive to her questions, she ruled that Brooks forfeited his right to call more witnesses or even testify himself. He has been repeatedly kicked out of the courtroom. In fact, he's spending the majority of his time outside of the courtroom in that adjacent courtroom. And after the judge reads the jury instructions, we go to the closing arguments, and then this case is handed off to the jury. They're going to have 152 verdict forms. That is a lot of paperwork, a lot for them to decide. I'll tell you one thing, all said and done, this is certainly a case that we won't forget. And thanks, everybody, for joining us here on Sidebar.
Yeah, that
Please
was
subscribe
tough.
on Apple
That was
Podcasts,
tough. That was
Spotify,
tough. That was
YouTube, wherever you
tough.
get your podcast.
He's disrespectful. I'm not gonna lie. He's disrespectful as fuck. Like, you in a courtroom, gang. You're not supposed to. You know what I'm saying? Like, you took it to the person that got you. People behind you is in charge of your life. Like, they in charge of your well-being. They in charge of you. You feel what I'm saying? Like, if they say no, you're done. So you putting on this type of, you feel me? You just look bad, bro. He just looked bad. Yo, what's up, bro? How you get rid of hiccups, bro? Like, what's going on? But yeah, Darrell Brooks, he's a fucking dickhead. I'm not gonna lie, he's a dickhead. He's going too hard in court. He's getting too angry. He can't control his emotions. He probably got like trauma from the past and shit. He probably like you feel me? He's probably a sick nigga, bro. He breeded an 18-year-old. Well, she was younger than that. So clearly something's wrong with dude. You feel me? It's just like, you feel me? Let's see. I don't what like did they sentence him? Let me know if they sentenced him. I don't know if they sentenced him yet, but like I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't like to say anybody deserved jail, but he need a therapist. He needs somebody to talk to, bro. That nigga got too much built up hostility. Like, I understand where he coming from, okay? Like, but one, you chose to represent yourself, so you're gonna be in this debating stage. You feel me? You're debating. So you can't, you have to control your emotions when you're debating. You're never gonna win. But let me know what y'all think, man. If this video was a little bit better. I know y'all was not jacking the first one, cause that was calm. This one was a little bit wilder. You feel me? I heard he took off his shirt and shit and all that. You feel me? But I'll do another one if y'all want me to. You feel me? I'll do another one. Let me know.